It was a unanimous decision by Chief Justice Willie Mutunga as he delivered the judgment on petitions challenging presidential results.
After extensive deliberations, we are happy to announce the Supreme Court has reached a unanimous decision on all the four issues that fell for the determination in presidential election petitions number 3, 4, and 5 as consolidated.
On the issue of whether the IEBC carried out its mandate in a credible manner, Chief Justice Mutunga had this to say.
As to whether the presidential election held on March 4th, 2013 was conducted in a free, fair, transparent and credible manner in compliance with the provisions of the Constitution and all relevant provisions of the law. It is the decision of the court that the said elections were indeed conducted in compliance with the Constitution and the law.
The six-judge bench also ruled that UHURU KENYATTA and William Ruto were duly elected by the IEBC.
As to whether the third and fourth respondents were validly elected and declared as President-elect and Deputy President-elect of the Republic of Kenya respectively by the second respondent in the presidential elections held on 4th March 2013, it is the decision of the court that the third and fourth respondents were validly elected.
The court, however, felt that rejected votes should not have been included in the final tally, but ruled that they had no jurisdiction to allow recomputation of percentages as requested.
It is the decision of the court that such rejected votes ought not to have been included in calculating the final tallies in favor of each presidential candidate.
Lawyer Ahmed Nasir expressed his joy over the ruling, saying that the truth has been revealed for all Kenyans.
Both the IEBC and the chairman, who was the returning officer, are very happy with the verdict of the court. It vindicated the position they took right from the start, that this election was free and fair, and it was conducted as per the Constitution and the laws of Kenya, and the court confirmed that.
For AFRICOG's lawyer, Kathy Kilonzo, however, although the ruling was not in her favor, she welcomed it, saying Kenyans can now continue with their lives.
Once you file a matter in court, somebody has to win and somebody has to lose. I think the most important thing is that throughout this process, Kenya has been calm, and this decision is not for any party to the petitions, it is for Kenyans. It is a signal that our country is growing and the Constitution is working.
It is now expected that UHURU KENYATTA's swearing-in ceremony will be on 9th of April as he sets about leading a country that is considerably divided as its fourth president. It has been a rainy evening here in the capital, one evening that has been highly anticipated by everyone in the country. Now, the Supreme Court has made its ruling and it is final. All the petitions have been dismissed, and this is one ruling that is the historical ruling that has happened in the history of Kenya, and it can only happen again after 5 years during yet another election. I am Meline Miendo for KISS TV News.